Okay, I've rebuilt the Tesla coil now, and now what I'm going to do is check and make sure I've got the voltage down on the supply. It's going to be going into this. So I got my handy dandy meter here. I'll put it on. Put it on DC volts, and well, I think you can see that. And now we reset the power supply, and we should have about 19 volts. 19.61. Okay, so that's the voltage. It's going to be going into the Tesla coil. And as I said, I've rebuilt it. This time here, I've got it in a plastic box. So, and there's the controls. And we'll be trying that next. So, hopefully I'm going to have Anaya here, because I have to go pick her up from school. So, with that, we will be back in just a little bit and try the smoke and fire test. Oh, shush, dog. Come here. Come here. All right. It's running, Anaya.
Oh, what's up, everybody? So today,
Slow down.
my pocky stick broke.
Slow down.
So today,
What am I going to be doing?
what are you gonna be doing?
Well, you look right next to what you got there.
What is this
The
called?
Tesla coil.
He's gonna be
Tesla.
using the Tesla coil.
Yes.
Yeah. I haven't been on your channel for a long time.
Yeah, you haven't been.
Yeah.
So what's going to happen? What do you think's going to happen?
It's gonna blow up.
She thinks it's going to blow up. It's my second attempt. The first one I had a blue glow and blue and purple glow, I guess, and then it decided to smoke. So I don't know how this one's going to work.
Yeah.
So anyway,
It's gonna go boom.
we're going to see what happens. So anyway, oh dog, shut the dog up. You're going to be making so much noise. Okay, no, not yet.
Not yet. Ready. I'm just getting ready.
Okay, not yet. Now hold on here a second. I gotta get this so it's close and see what's going on. All right, let's see.
With the lights off.
Yeah, I try to turn the light off.
Let's see. Now we'll see
If we can see something, we're
we're
gonna really see
supposed to
something.
make big sparks.
Well, I don't know if it's gonna make big sparks, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, so all right.
You're gonna put your finger next to that?
What? Of course I am. Okay. So, all right. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it'll do something. And let's see. Yeah, it's on. All right. Here we go. There.
It sparks.
We got sparkies.
We have Tesla. It's working.
It's working. The Tesla coil is working. I don't know why it didn't work the first time, but it's working now. Okay.
Turn it off.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Don't touch it.
Well, I gotta shut it off. There we go. A perfect test.
Big sparks.
It actually did work.
I'm scared.
Huh?
It worked.
It worked. What are you scared for?
It's gonna blow up.
She's so scared it's gonna blow up.
Or smoke.
But yeah, no other. Only smoke was what's supposed to happen. Okay, we're back again. This time, okay, after the good test of the Tesla coil, and I guess we're gonna turn some lights on. At least one. Let's see. A friend of my brother's said he's had this Heath kit for over 20 years, and it's a partially put together Heath kit, and apparently he never finished it. Don't know why, but he did have it checked off where he finished. So we are going to go ahead and open this up, and it'll be the next thing we do. By hook or crook, since we got the Tesla coil going. And he did pack this really well. Looks like it has the original box. It's a box in a box. Alright. Let's see if we can. Alright. So. Alright. Okay. There's that. And the brother's yakking away in the background, trying to get him out of here, so. He makes all kinds of noise when he's talking on the phone. He doesn't know his hearing aid's turned off. Alright, so, okay, we got Heath kit manual. Well, that's good. We have, oh yeah, we got the original Heath kit manual. Good old Benton Harbor, Michigan. And yeah, the paperwork is in here. It's a compact digital multimeter is what this is supposed to be. So it's one of the first multimeters I guess Heath kit came out with later on. So, yeah. And bags of parts. Oh yeah. Yeah, the board's partially put together. A few things are in it, but other than that, yeah, looks like everything's here. Why the resistors are mounted on foil, I don't really know.
Yeah, static electricity.
Yeah, more than likely. And then, yeah, this is the first digital multimeter.
Probably the first one Heath kit came up with.
That probably is the first one.
More aluminum foil protection.
Probably, yeah. So we got everything aluminum foil.
And the instructions, are they in Chinglish or English?
Oh, they're real English instructions.
Yeah,
too.
it's amazing.
And yeah, you got that, and then the other front face. There it is for that. So yeah, it's all here. Everything's there, including the original manual. So yeah. And illustration book even. And then the step-by-step instructions putting it together are right here. So this is for the IM2311 is what it is. And that's it right there. So we'll see. So anyway, we had a successful test of the Tesla coil. And the next one we'll try is we'll have to see if the speaker portion works. That'll be the next thing we do. So, that's going to be it for now. Talk to you guys later.